What's up, you shiny, happy people? Thanks for watching this video. Serves just kind of as an introduction to the channel. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to figure it out with all of you guys. And thanks for existing. Thanks for being there and giving me some reason to do this. And just want to say thank you. I love you. I don't know you. But I know that without you, I am screwed. And I won't be able to do anything in this world without other people. So we're going to do our best here to make awesome things, make mistakes, turn them into happy little accidents, and help us all remember who and why we are. You know, because that's ultimately why we're here, is to remember who and why we are. Capital W on both of those. So I want to say it's Land Hawk Design. The hawk is on land because he's too full of poo-poo to fly. And it's kind of a joke, but it's kind of serious too, because sometimes I really want to take myself seriously, and I just have to remind myself that I'm just another bozo on the bus. I'm here with everyone else. We're all doing the best that we can with what we've been given. And we're all really lucky. If we're alive right now, we're really, really, really lucky. I want to express gratitude to guys like Greg and Big Joe, OB, Jeff, Seth, Dana, Ed. There's so many. There's too many people I can't even name that have, you know, just helped me live and be my best self without judgment. That's another thing we're going to try to do here. We're going to try to not judge ourselves too hard, but we need each other for that. You know, it's going to be tough, but we're going to make all kind of awesome things: medicine boxes, earring holders, dog crate toppers, anything out of wood you can imagine. Pretty soon I'm getting ready to make a bassinet for my daughter. I got a daughter coming in a couple months. Look out for that video. It should be interesting because I have no idea what I'm doing. Just grabbing stuff and figuring it out along the way. And that's kind of the best. That's all we can ask, is that we try our best. So check out www.landhawkdesign.com. Shoot me an email on there. Comment on this video. Let's make something awesome together. If you need some kind of sacred box, a jewelry box, a big medicine box, anything you can imagine out of wood, we'll make together. And thank you to everybody that's asked me to make them stuff and given me the freedom to mess stuff up and I think make some awesome things. So here at the end of this, we'll just put up a couple pictures and maybe a little voiceover. I have no idea what's going on. We're going to make a whole bunch of awesome things here. That's the goal of the channel, is to show you. I have a regular job and I have other obligations in life. So I have a very limited time here in the shop. I've got weekends and nights, sometimes early in the morning. And we do the best we can with the time we're given. We got some awesome things in the works. We're going to be posting a video. I hope post a video every week or so. We'll see what time allows, kind of thing like that. Look out for our shorts. Please like them, follow, subscribe, all that social media stuff. It really helps me a lot. Helps me and my family, and it makes you feel good too. Because you're just blasting positivity out there into the world. Even if you want to leave some negative comments, that would be awesome. But just watch the videos if you feel like it. It'll mean a lot to me. And hopefully you get something out of it. I'm going to try to do my best to document making some of these awesome things. It's challenging, but I think I got to figure it out. I got some stands here. I got little things to hold it. Hopefully the lighting's okay. Eventually sound, all that other kind of jazz. So thanks for existing. Thanks for being alive. And yeah, I'm really grateful for you, because without you, I have no reason to do this. So thank you for existing. I love you. I don't know you. I don't need to know you to know that you're an awesome, shiny individual. Those that know me know that may have been a different word. I'm saying it in my heart. So thanks for watching this whole video to the end. It really helps me a lot, and it'll make me feel good. You know, we're all really lucky. We have good lives. We woke up, we're on this side of the grass. I mean, who knows? It might be kind of awesome on the other side, right? But right now, we're all here together, man. Just bozos on this bus doing the best we can. So, subscribe to the channel. Look out for awesome videos. Thanks so much for watching this. And I will see you soon. Thanks for taking the time to watch this whole video. And welcome to Landhawk Design. And remember, we take things real seriously over here. Love you guys a lot. So much.